What is an R&D tablet press? Every medicine starts with an idea. Before a single tablet reaches a patient, before millions of tablets are manufactured, before regulatory approval, there is a development process that often takes years. And surprisingly, one of the most important machines during this journey isn't found in the production hall. It's found in the laboratory. It's called an R&D tablet press. But what exactly is it? Hi, I'm Ingo Krause, a chemical engineer and developer of pharmaceutical R&D tablet presses. Welcome to the channel. Every tablet starts as an experiment. Imagine you're developing a completely new medicine. You don't have 10 tons of powder. You may have only 100 grams, maybe even less. The API has taken years to develop. It may have cost thousands of dollars per kilogram. Every milligram matters. Now imagine wasting half of it simply because your equipment wasn't designed for research. That's why pharmaceutical companies use dedicated R&D tablet presses. Not because they're smaller, but because they're fundamentally different. A production press has one job. Production tablet presses are engineering masterpieces. Their purpose is simple: produce millions of identical tablets. Every hour, every day, every year. Everything is optimized for throughput. Maximum output, maximum efficiency, minimum downtime. That's exactly what you want in manufacturing. But it's almost the opposite of what you need in research. Research is about asking questions. During formulation development, scientists ask questions. What happens if we increase compression force? What if we reduce fill depth? What if we change one excipient? Can we improve dissolution? Can we reduce capping? Can we increase hardness? Every answer requires another experiment. Sometimes hundreds, sometimes thousands. An R&D tablet press is built for exactly this purpose. Not mass production, but fast learning. The most valuable product isn't the tablet. This may sound surprising. The tablet itself is often not the most valuable outcome. The real value is the data. Compression force, ejection force, fill depth, tablet thickness, weight variation, elastic recovery. All these parameters help scientists understand what is happening inside the powder. Good tablets are important. Understanding why they are good tablets is even more important. Why saving powder saves millions? Many new API cost several $1,000s per kilogram. Some specialty compounds are far more expensive. Early development batches may contain only a few hundred grams. Every unnecessary gram lost during setup, cleaning or adjustment means more synthesis, more cost, more delays. Modern R&D tablet presses are designed to minimize these losses while maximizing experimental flexibility. The hidden challenge: scale up. Eventually, every successful formulation must leave the laboratory. It must be manufactured. Thousands of tablets become millions. This transition is called scale-up. And surprisingly, the goal of an R&D tablet press isn't to imitate production. It's to generate reliable scientific data that allows production to be designed intelligently. Good development makes good manufacturing possible. The future. Today's R&D tablet presses are no longer simple compression machines. They are becoming development platforms, digital, connected, automated, generating huge amounts of process data. Support quality by design, PAT, electronic batch records, artificial intelligence. Tomorrow's medicines will increasingly be developed with machines that learn together with scientists. Closing. Every medicine you've ever taken started somewhere, long before production, long before packaging, long before pharmacies. It started with experiments, questions, data, and an R&D tablet press. Understanding these machines means understanding how modern medicines are created. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more insights into pharmaceutical tablet development, because behind every tablet there is far more engineering than most people ever imagine. Goodbye for now.